Okay, so first of all, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. So, सबसे important question and very demanding question. भाई मिठाई का डब्बा. NMIMS selection हो गया. Sean got Navi Mumbai campus. Manan Mumbai campus. Meet, you got which campus?
I'm still waitlisted.
Not okay. And Ayushi, you?
Sir, Mumbai campus.
Okay, you Mumbai campus.
Yes,
क्या
sir.
बात है? Riddhi, which one?
Hyderabad and Bangalore.
Hyderabad and Bangalore.
And Bangalore.
Hyderabad and Bangalore. Okay, great. Everyone is safe, no? At home, एकदम कोई problem नहीं है.
Yes,
That's
sir.
foremost important. First of all, I want everyone should introduce yourself. Riddhi coming and going. Okay, not an issue. Manan, starting
Ji,
with
sir.
you. I don't remember which batch you belong to. First of all, online class or the classroom. Sean, I know he's from Borivali Center.
Online class.
Which city you belong to? Which state?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra only, na? Because there are people who are outside Maharashtra.
Oh,
Ha. So you are from Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Okay. You got which campus?
Mumbai का.
Mumbai campus. Any other exam you have written? You are planning to write St. Xavier.
जी.
Apart from St. Xavier, any other exam?
No, sir.
Okay. So now you are okay to go for the NMIMS Mumbai campus. Okay.
Yes, but I'll still be giving the Xavier's exam.
Still be doing the Xavier one. Okay. Okay. Great. What about Sean?
Yes, even I'm writing St. Xavier's, but now I'll see if I get the Mumbai campus waitlisted as of now.
You got Navi Mumbai campus, right?
Yes, yes.
So waitlisting for the Mumbai campus.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what other exam you have been to?
And I've been to Christ. Christ had been selected. I got
Christ.
selected. Yes. And I got selected for BBIT at Symbiosis.
You write it as set general.
Yes.
So Symbiosis and the NMIMS. So Meet, you have got any campus, any college?
Yes, I've been waitlisted in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai campus.
Ayushi, you done with the Mumbai campus, no?
Yes, I had actually given only one examination and I cracked it. So I'm happy about that, luckily.
Okay, great. Any other exam you have been through? You are planning to?
I was planning to give IIM Indore, but I do not live in India. I live in Qatar and it is going to be hard for me to fly in. So I do not think I will be able to give that exam if it is conducted physically.
Okay. I remember your name, like you used to come Ayushi Saab. You are that one only, no? In live
Yes,
lecture.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
great. मतलब अच्छे से पढ़ाया था ना देव सर ने?
अच्छे से पढ़ाया था सर, इसलिए तो हो गई मैं पास.
Okay, brilliant. Chalo guys, one by one I'll pick the question and then you have to answer all those questions. मैं एक क्वेश्चन सबसे पूछूंगा. सबसे पहला जो क्वेश्चन है वो होता ना फीलिंग आना कि यार रिजल्ट देखा और क्या फीलिंग आई. सबसे पहला मतलब तो हाँ मनन कैसे वाली फीलिंग आई थी भाई? What was your feeling once you सरप्राइज था?
हाँ, क्योंकि मैच देखने के बाद मुझे तो मैंने तो छोड़ दिया था कि मैं तो एडमिशन फॉर्म भरने वाला था मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी.
ओके. अच्छा, मुंबई
मैंने
यूनिवर्सिटी.
होप्स ही छोड़ दिए थे.
ओके, ग्रेट. सो पेपर वाज
हाँ, मैथ सेक्शन बहुत टफ था. लॉजिक्स और इंग्लिश तो ले लिया मैंने. इजी था काफी.
ओके. शॉन, पेपर टफ था?
सर मैथ्स थोड़ा था टफ और इंग्लिश और रीजनिंग हो गया था. इजी था.
ओके.
सिर्फ थोड़ा सा मैथ्स थोड़ा ये गया. पर जब when I seen the result का then I was happy.
ओके. हाँ, वो फीलिंग आती ना बेदी यार मेरा तो हो गया. सो दिस इज व्हाट द आयुषी ये वाली फीलिंग आई थी कि नहीं?
एग्जाम हो गया वाली फीलिंग तो बहुत टाइम तक नहीं आई थी. मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशंस बिल्कुल नहीं थी. I didn't even expect Mumbai any campus as a matter of fact. My quants were not
ना बेकार पेपर गया था.
बहुत बेकार पेपर गया था. And कहीं expectations नहीं थी as a matter of fact. But हो गया. I trusted my English. English मेरा ठीक गया था. Logical reasoning, data interpretation part I was not very sure about. Quants भगवान भरोसे था. I don't know what happened.
What rank you got?
2648.
2648. Mana, yours rank?
1066.
Wow.
1066. Okay, great. Sean?
2113.
2113. Riddhi, so waiting for Bangalore. You got Bangalore and Navi Mumbai, right?
Yes.
ठीक है,
No,
Bangalore,
not Navi Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, fine. So finally, you are planning for Bangalore.
So I will wait for second list.
Second list, हाँ मुंबई मिल जाए. Rohtak.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have some expectations from that because
Okay. So wanted to understand the preparation which we have done in the live class, online class में. वो preparation कितना helpful था exam में specific to Entra Maths. Yes, Ayushi.
So online classes were the reason I had continuity, and all the topics were properly covered. अगर मेरे पास continuous topics का coverage नहीं होता, then probably I would not be able to think on my feet in the examination. And the timing, the speed, because there were everybody in the classes, it was easy for me to compare where I stood in front of all these people. So that helped me out. And the topics and the content covered, I was pretty happy about it.
Okay, great. Selection हो गया और क्या चाहिए?
Yes, sir.
Sean, I remember Sean is very disciplined guy. Usually branch में आ रहा था तो जितना मैं पता था पूरा करके आ रहा था. He is very disciplined person.
Thank you, sir.
तो Sean,
Yes, sir.
ही maths tough गया तो maths I think that was the only section where you were struggling all the time.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Was
sir.
crumbling all the time. सर मेरा maths बहुत weak है.
Yes, sir.
तो finally हो गया. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Manan, what about you? In
सर
terms of the
काफी
preparation.
हेल्पफुल था वो मैथ्स. मुझे लॉजिक्स का तो इतना टेंशन नहीं था, मुझे सिर्फ मैथ्स के ही शॉर्टकट्स जो चाहिए थे जो कवर हो गए थे,
Okay.
तो वो काफी हेल्पफुल था.
So you were not like भगवान भरोसे maths.
नहीं
Okay.
मैथ्स में मेरा वैसे बेसिक्स काफी स्ट्रांग है तो मुझे इतना होता नहीं, फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Okay. So you were struggling in which section basically?
वो ज्योमेट्री वाला पार्ट था थोड़ा.
Okay. Geometrical.
ज्योमेट्री भी नहीं, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री.
Advanced maths.
हाँ.
Okay. Advanced maths. Coming to the logic, English, and the maths, which section you found very easy?
English.
क्या बात है?
लॉजिक.
and
English.
logical reasoning also.
हाँ मुझे पता है मैथ्स कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
मैथ्स तो सर आप जाने ही दो, छोड़ ही दो, वो बीता हुआ कल है.
Okay. So मतलब English and the logic. Very interesting question. Nothing but the pandemic का effect लग रहा था. एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो रहे, कैंसिल हो रहे, यार पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़े. All these
हाँ
things are
सर,
affecting.
एंड में तो बोर हो गया था,
अच्छा एंड में
छोड़ दिया था सर.
ओके गिव अप कर दिया था.
नहीं कि बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्शन, वो मंथ से कुछ तो हो गया था एक्शन. तो फिर
Go ahead.
पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू करते रहना बहुत टफ पड़ता रहा था.
And what about Ayushi, you and the Sean?
सर एडवांस मैथ्स का लेक्चर एक के बाद एक कर रहे थे ना, बहुत बोर हो रहा था तभी.
अच्छा.
पर फिर सीखने के बाद थोड़ा टाइम होने के बाद फिर लगने लगा कि कभी है एग्जाम.
हाँ.
पीछे डेट चलता गया, पर फिर फाइनली बोले कि 10 दिन में एग्जाम है, फिर से चालू पढ़ाई.
वो होता है ना, वो मतलब प्रपोज करते लड़की को अभी हाँ बोलेगी बोल नहीं रही, हाँ बोल वह वाला सीन.
सिर्फ टाइम ही मांग रही है, हाँ तो बोल ही नहीं.
What मनन? अच्छा
सिर्फ टाइम ही मांग रही.
अच्छा. Yes, Ayushi, what about you?
Sir, personally मुझे ज़्यादा effect नहीं हुआ था, and bottom line was I had to keep doing them videos one by one, and online videos थे, recorded थे, that was the best part. तो continuity मेरी कहीं नहीं छूटी. I will repeat that point. So मेरे लिए it was not very hard. I like the fact कि मुझे time मिला because मैंने NPAT के लिए preparation March and April first week में चालू की थी. I had no books because I had no books.
Great.
And so I was happy with the time I had gotten, and I was glad I used it productively.
Great. मतलब अगर प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई है तो ऑब्वियसली भाई तो फिर अपने पास बोर होने का ये होने का टाइम ही
कोई ऑप्शन नहीं. एग्जैक्टली.
तो फिर तो पढ़ना है अपने को.
मुझे NPAT के बारे में पता चला मार्च में. So
and you started your preparation in the month of
April because मार्च में बोर्ड एग्जाम्स थे. So April first week.
Wanted to understand why you people have chosen your career to go for the BBA. Have you really think that you have achieved your target or still there is something? Yes, Manan.
सर मुझे तो बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट ही करना था, तो मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन थे, या तो बीबीए या तो बीएमएस।
करेक्ट।
और जॉब प्रेफरेंस में भी देखने जाओ ना, तो बीबीए वालों को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिलता है।
ओके
और बीबीए इज मोर प्रैक्टिकल देन बीएमएस। बीएमएस थोड़ा ज्यादा थियोरेटिकल है, तो इसके लिए बीबीए चाहिए,
ओके
क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकल हमेशा हेल्प करता है।
ओके यस रिद्धि, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Sir, I was always interested in the commerce field and always wanted to do BBA.
BBA.
Yeah.
And whenever I used to meet you, सिर्फ IM चाहिए, इंदौर या तो रोहतक, इंदौर या तो रोहतक, एक हाथ में इंदौर है, एक में रोहतक है।
Sir, I have done my paper. I have done lots of hard work for this. I am Rohtak.
I know. Last year you also cracked the IM, but you somehow not cracked this. So you're not shortlisted for the.
But this time,
Yes, Ayushi, what about you? Why BBA field?
So honestly, I wanted BSc Finance.
Uh-huh.
I wanted to pursue. After BSc Finance, मुझे MBA और फिर CFA करना था. I was interested into the debt market, the investments, more of that sort of line.
Okay.
Yeah. So and NMIMS is a pretty reputed institute. So well better than that.
Correct. And yes, Sean, what is your point of view?
Sir, actually, my parents had told me that you do CA, that CA is good to do. So, but I told them that I'll not be able to give the time and so much. You need dedication and all to like crack the exams and all. So I told my parents that I'll do BBA and I'll do it from a reputed college. So that would help me in the future.
Obviously, great. I wanted to know about the test series. How many tests you people have written? Yes, Manan, you have written any tests before you've been through the D-Day?
So I have written almost 3 to 4 mocks.
3 to 4 mock tests. Okay. And what was your score in the mock test?
So I was pretty well doing in logical reasoning. I was getting 35, 37 out of 4. In case of quants,
Okay.
I was just doing Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata Di. Yes, Manan, what about you?
सर मैंने भी 3 दिए थे जो साइट पे थे ना, तो उसमें से लास्ट टेस्ट में मुझे कुछ तो 90 आ गया।
Okay, 90. Okay. So you have written 3-4 mock tests, that's it.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Ayushi, have you written any mock tests?
All three of them which were available.
What?
And the topic tests.
Okay.
Topic tests were harder than the NPAT ones, right? So अगर उसमें score आ रहा था तो उसके बाद मुझे confidence आ रहा था कि I can attempt the NPAT mock exam.
So what was your score in the mock test? What was score you were scoring?
The first one, the 80s में आ रहा था almost everywhere. Last exam में मुझे comparatively 90 पहुंचा.
Okay. And Sean, what about you?
Sir, I used to give whatever test was there, like SET or NPAT, I used to give all 4 tests. So I've written like 7-8 tests I've written. And I wrote those tests and I used to get like 65 and my marks used to keep getting higher, like 70, 75 and all.
Okay. So it was rambling around 60 to 75 like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. One by one, I want to know 3 parameters from all of you. Before you started your preparation for the BBA entrance or the NPAT examination. Second, what was your preparation strategy, daily routine? I want to say. And the third is about your any tips to the aspirant, those who are planning to write next year exam. Starting with the Ayushi.
Before preparing anything for NPAT examination, I had no clue if questions इस तरह से twist भी हो सकते हैं. Zero idea how Venn diagrams can be this complicated, patterns can be this complicated, or basic maths can become this complicated. But percentages, profit and loss, all the basic daily things which are required, वो सब सीखा. So I had this internal feeling कि अगर select भी नहीं हुई, this knowledge is not going to go waste.
Obviously.
Yeah, so I was happy about that. And after I had given the exam, maybe there were some different types of questions. So मैंने पहली बार I had come across them for the first time, and The feeling before and after was awareness, as a matter of fact, and confidence level increasing for me
Confidence
to,
is the key.
yeah.
So
और
what?
select होने की
Yeah.
select होने के बाद it gives you a bit more confidence for you to give another entrances कि ये कर लिया है भाई और भी कर सकते हैं.
Correct. Great. वो आ जाता है अंदर से बोल्ड वाली फीलिंग, अब तो मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, ये वाला तो हो सकता है मेरे से, वो बोल्ड वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है, वो मैं एकदम फील कर सकता हूँ when you start writing the major entrance. Second, what was your daily routine in terms of the preparation?
Daily routine, I used to
I'm not asking about the brush and all.
Yeah. I was going through the topic wise कि क्या हो रहा था. पहले तो सब videos सब खत्म हो गए थे. I used to go back to the videos and redo them because मुझे वो होने के बाद भी I need to remember them, and questions के लिए मेरे पास books नहीं थी. So I had used थोड़े other websites भी थे जहाँ से मैंने books ली, उनके question paper solve किए. And जहाँ से भी question papers आ रहे थे, I kept solving them.
Okay.
Not having books was quite of a disadvantage because मुझे पता नहीं था एक topic के कितने solve करूँ मैं.
Okay.
और फिर mocks majorly, that's it. That's all. पहले I focused a lot on quants. Then came to logical reasoning. English पे ज़्यादा मैंने focus नहीं किया था. Reading novels helped me out with that.
Okay, reading. You used to read novel.
Yeah.
Okay, reading play a very vital role in terms of.
It is a very vital role. Fast pace बहुत increase हो जाती है.
Exactly. Correct. And what was the last question?
Help for the any advice.
Yes, very important. Tips for the aspirant, those who are planning to next year.
Now that you have a year, they can cultivate the habit of reading novels. जो भी newspaper नहीं पढ़ना तो मत पढ़ो. It's not that important. But for English vocabulary, yes, it is. If you want to increase it, it is. Just read something because pace increase. Comprehensions were massive. और उनको पढ़ना fast, उनको answer करना, that is only possible if you have a quite fast reading pace. Even every question पढ़ने में time लगेगा तो answer करने में और time लगेगा. So reading is important. And once just 1-2 महीने बाकी हैं जो मेरे पास थे, I would suggest कि keep going through topics. जो mock test is the major important part because mock test देने के बाद मुझे पता चला what are my strong points, what are my weak points, what are the major points where I can become better at. And at the end, जब the test is just 2 or 3 days, just 2 or 3 days का wait, I would suggest कि work on your strong points and medium points more because weak points just like हौसला कम कर देते हैं, and that is not something you want. You want to be the most confident version of yourself when you go there, and presence of mind in the exam.
Okay,
that's
great.
The most important.
Thank you for all your comments and lots of things you have said which I can relate. You are an entrance aspirant. Yes, Sean, coming to you.
Yes, sir.
What points you want to, what tips and the strategy? 2 things I want to ask from your end.
So the tips I would give is that we must start first from the basics, and once we get our basics right, we must step on to working on our weak areas. My weak area was maths. So first what I used to do is I used to take up maths, then I used to finish like 1 topic per day, and I used to, in a week's time, I used to finish 4 to 5 topics, and then on Saturday, Sunday, I used to sit and complete the mock test of each chapter.
Okay.
More than watching the video lectures, because I used to attend the lectures, so I didn't watch individual chapter video lectures much. So I used to give the mock test in the end afterwards when all the preparation got over.
What about the reading part?
So in the reading, I used to do, as you told, editorial I used to read, and this is the first pages of the newspapers.
Okay. Yes, Riddhi.
Actually, I was a regular student in class as well as the video lectures also. So I would like to say that first we should study whatever part we feel easy or interesting, and then we should go for our weak areas.
Once you're done with all those topics, your confidence get boosted.
Yeah, and then we can go for the sectional test, and there we can get the which areas we are weak and we should practice more.
I don't know how many of you are analyzing the mock test, because after writing the mock test, I don't know this analysis how many of you have done. That analysis play very vital role rather than writing the mock test. You must have realized this also, no? Manan, coming to Manan, I want to ask two things from you. What 2 mistake or 3 mistake you have done in terms of your preparation and the exam point of view, and what tips you want to give to the aspirant who will be writing next year exam?
सर पहले तो मैंने स्टार्ट ही बहुत लेट किया था पढ़ना.
ओके, तो वो पहली
जब
गलती
आपको
थी.
हाँ,
अच्छा,
तो आप जितना जल्दी करोगे ना उतना आपको टाइम स्पेस ज्यादा मिलना चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
लाइक मैंने बहुत एंड में डिसाइड किया कि नहीं अब मुझे ये करना. तो थोड़ा पहले से क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए आपको कि क्या करना है आगे जाके, क्या है.
यार एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है कि क्या करना चाहिए. 11th का बच्चा पबजी से फ्री होता नहीं है 10th और 11th के बाद. वो कहाँ करियर के बारे में, वेरी फ्यू पीपल गेट दैट क्लैरिटी कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे इसमें जाना है. वी हैव अ सेल फोन, वी हैव अ इंटरनेट इन नाउअडेज, बट पीपल आर नॉट यूजिंग इट.
स्कूल से भी क्लैरिटी मिलती नहीं है ना कभी. स्कूल टाइम से भी हमको कुछ पता ही नहीं होता कभी कि क्या है. सिर्फ कॉमर्स से साइंस से आर्ट्स से बस खत्म
हो गया. बट व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील, यार इंटरनेट है, अपने पास मोबाइल भी है. We can explore the things which we want. What about the mistakes? एक तो लेट स्टार्ट किया, और
एक तो लेट स्टार्ट किया, फिर स्टार्ट करने के बाद भी बहुत कम टाइम दिया प्रिपरेशन को. जैसे कि मैथ्स को तो एटलीस्ट 3 घंटा चाहिए ही उस दिन.
Okay. What about the tips for the aspirant who will be writing next year?
Just don't be scared. दे दो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. फेल भी हो गया तो.
Correct. Okay. Just continue working hard, rigorously prepare करते रहो.
अपना बेस्ट दे दो, उसके बाद देख लेंगे जो होगा.
Ayushi, I want to ask again one question. What 2 mistake you have done?
I would agree with Manan. Be aware of your options. अगर अवेयर मुझे पता नहीं था कि NPAT के अलावा NMIMS में SAT से भी एंट्रेंस मिलती है. I was not aware of that.
Okay.
So be aware of. I would recommend all the upcoming aspirants to be aware of your options to. और अवेयर होने के बाद प्रिपेयर करो. It is okay to get sidetracked. It is okay to have fun, but know when to do what. That's it.
Correct. So SAT is the exam. अगर आपको बैचलर करना है abroad में, then you have to write SAT exam.
Yes, but even NMIMS accepts it.
Even NMIMS accepts
yes,
it.
Yes, and वो मुझे पता नहीं था.
Okay, तो यार लेक्चर में एक बार पूछ लेते ना सर, ये बता रहे. I am done from my end, and once again congratulations to everyone got selected for the NMIMS. Hoping कि जो आप आगे एग्जाम्स लिखने वाले हो उसमें भी कुछ बेटर हो जाए अपना. And as Manan said कि अपना बेस्ट दो, तो मेरे हिसाब से मैं भी वही मानता हूँ. अपना बेस्ट दो, जो होगा देखेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for joining. Bye bye and be safe. और एड्रेस में दे रहा हूँ, कुरियर करके मिठाई का डब्बा भेज देना.
हाँ पक्का.
Just kidding. चलो, bye bye.
Bye sir, thank
bye,
you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.